To begin, log into the Ubuntu server or Ubuntu terminal. To switch to another user account, type su command plus username, type the password and press enter. If the password is correct, you'll be logged in as the new user. To verify that you have successfully switched to the new user, you can again use the Hoami command. Typing exit and pressing enter will log you out of the current user account and return you to the original account. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.